What's up, guys? So the other day I tried to record this video and it was super dark and I'm still trying to figure it out, but I wanted to show you guys the 6-speed a little better today. Hopefully there's enough light so you guys could actually see the interior today. I want to also show you guys, here's a quick walk around real quick, but I also want to show you guys the suspension. It's currently on ridetech suspension. It's got a 4-link and it's on coilovers. So all of these also are drawings that I did with a Sharpie that my wife painted for me, then we clear coated. Let me show you guys the suspension. So it's on, like I said, a 4-link with a panhard-bar. It's all ridetech. I'll show you guys the front as well. You guys could check out my front suspension setup. So this is the front suspension setup. It's on a Michigan Metalworks bump sear kit. I flipped it on top to try to get more angle out of the truck. Let me show you guys the interior, since the other day it was pretty dark. So these are my custom door cards. I love how they embedded the 6-speed shifter knob on it. I cut this side out. My driver's side is still got to cut it out. I haven't got into it. I also wanted to show you guys, like I said, the interior of the truck. It's got a full roll cage with a harness bar. And then it also has a dash bar. Let me show you guys. So I don't have airbags because it is a drift truck. I was looking for this. But as you can see my dash bar goes all the way across. And I legit have nothing in the truck. So that means no AC, no heater, no fucking music, pretty much nothing but drifting. The truck also has a Motion Raceworks steering column. I'm not a big fan of the original OEM clunky steering column, so I swapped it out to one of these. This is a lot nicer, and I do love their quick release. It is a lot cleaner. Let me put this away so I can show. It's super hard to put away sometimes, or to put back sometimes. Get this back on. There we go. The truck is also running a Holley Terminator X for my ECU. So I got the 3.5 right here, and then it's running the Holley 12.3 Pro Dash. I'll go on the other side right now and show you guys that. It's pretty cool. I mean, I like it a lot. So I think it was worth the money. Let me go around and show you guys the 12.3. So I got this 12.3, well, I got this M12 battery here just to power up the 12.3 whenever I don't want to use the truck battery. Let me show you guys the Holley 12.3. I also recently did all my lights. That was that ticking you probably heard. I accidentally hit this. I'll show you guys. I got this to also work with the 12.3. These layouts are a bunch of layouts that I made. Let's show you guys. They all work. I recently figured out how to pin in my my light switches. So this is a switch. Well, this light switch is also from Motion's Raceworks, and I got it pinned into the 12.3. So when I turn left, I could actually see these lights clicking. And I turn right and I could see the other side. It's pretty cool. I think it's awesome that you could play with this 12.3 like that. I do have a bunch of layouts that I make. I make these myself as well. If you guys want to learn about this, let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much the truck. I hope you guys could actually see the interior a lot better, since the last video was a lot darker. Let me set my steering wheel back on. And since you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys could see, I'm running bucket seats, and with that I also had to run seat brackets. And these seat brackets, I got them from Atomic Fabrication, and I'm pretty with them. They look cool as hell after I clear coated them. Had to clean them up, clear coat them, and I mean, I love them. You know, I got to choose my own font, pretty much everything to put my name on here. And they work with a bunch of different seats, so I thought it was cool. But yeah, this is pretty much just the interior of the truck. Everything's stripped out, and it's got a full roll cage, like I said. And this side, I still need to cut out my door. That side I cut it, but I'll get to it. Let me show you guys up front as well. So on the hood, we got rid of the actual latch. So I'm on, so the hood is actually on pins. And then, yeah, this is the LQ9. It's boosted on E85. Fun little truck, you know. It gets the job done. Thought I'd share this with you guys. Yeah, let me show you guys. So I got a mess. I haven't fucking lifted up my cables yet, or my wiring yet. I just recently connected all my, you see my directionals and stuff. And let me show you guys what I did as well. So I got this M12 here. It's just to power up the Holley 12.3 when I'm out, like at when I went to a toy drive. This is when I used it. I want to kill my battery, but let me show you guys this look. So I got it to pretty much work with the directional, so it also flashes. So I had to pretty much just pin it out. I got it pinned out, and we got it flashing now, which I thought is pretty cool, which means with all these layouts, I can actually add directional lights, or add pretty much a position or extra features to it, since we got that to work, and I know we could probably get a lot other things to work.